Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change the start application in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to change your start application but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, if you want to be directed to a different page when you open Steam, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. The first step is to open Steam and make sure you're logged in. And after you do that, just go ahead and open settings. So we're just going to use a shortcut hotkey. Just go ahead and tap in command and comma, and you have successfully opened Steam settings. So guys, after that, just go ahead and find interface, which should be right between notification and library. And after you do that, you can find multiple options over here like Steam client language, 24-hour clock, client beta, participation, start application, and many more. So we need start application, which is right here. So in order to change it, just tap over here. So if you want to be directed to library when you open Steam, then tap on library. If news, then tap on news, friend activity, community home. So it's completely your choice what you want your start application to be. And after you've selected it, you have successfully changed your start application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.